Suppose you need to create a checklist. Using USign Here Document Designer, you can do the following. Drop checkboxes on a document page. Use Magic Wand for group operation. Select checkboxes. Use Align command. Use Copy Down command, specifying the number of rows. If row spacing is not what you want, you can do the following. Since all the checkboxes are still selected, you can unselect all row where the checkboxes positions are satisfactory. Use Move Down or Move Up command to move remaining rows to the position you want the next row to be. Unselect rows with correct positions. Repeat the process until all rows are in desired position. To make the row a single option select, do the following. Select all checkboxes. Use command, group horizontally. Separate groups will be created per each row. To force the user to make a selection in a row, you have to select one checkbox in each row and make it required. That's all there is to it.